My video is about getting rid of the new ransomware that is called Vvyu. This Vvyu ransomware is a part of the Vvyu ransomware family. So it is able to damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives. And you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, all that can be opened without complications. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this Vvyu ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then, especially after people restart their computers, they soon realize that they cannot use their data anymore. All this data gets damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. So the ransomware has in mind to demand from its victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that your files would be recovered. So we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. The ransom amount, by the way, is $980. The ransom note also indicates that if you pay the ransom within 72 hours, the amount of the ransom drops down to $490, but you should not pay the ransom anyway. There is no guarantee that these hackers would keep their words. So the ransomware adds this Vvyu extension, and it's not possible to use these files anymore. Now, we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner antivirus is successfully updated, the program begins researching and investigating the computer. You can also see that there are some annoying advertisements that are popping up in the right part of the screen. Combo Cleaner will also help you to delete these advertisements effectively from your Google Chrome browser. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of a premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Combo Cleaner not only detects and removes ransomware, it can also help you to detect and remove threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other kinds of malware, and of course ransomware. So at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.